Hello everyone, Health Pro Traders. It's going here live at GW Pro, and I want to be giving you a full breakdown of also what is happening. Alright, I did make a video before the ECB release, and I spoke about if the ECB is going to wake the euro. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you this breakdown here of what is also happening and what levels we can start taking short decisions. As we also see today that the ECB came out and then they were not actually hawkish. Alright, so what they were doing was more of a neutral basis. However, euro also rose to key environment, and I'm going to be sharing with you this one also on how I am going to approach the EURCAD. Alright, so this is going to be a trade call, and I'm going to be taking also this trade on live account as well. I'm going to be giving you a full breakdown. Alright, so in my last presentation, if you look at my videos, you're going to be seeing that I spoke about also I wanted to take the euro long trade also from this point back into the highs. Alright, so I did capture all those moves there. As you can see, go back to my previous video in the description above. Alright, so you can see that I did capture that move, alright, here into this point here. And also what is also happening at the moment, I can also see an impulse, I can also see a correction, and I can also see another impulse to the upside, which have created an A, B, C corrective wave. Alright, in that manner. Alright, so I can see an A, I can see a B, and I can see as a C of the A, B, C. Alright, that was created there, and also we also had that when the CAD news came in from the Bank of Canada, and that also sent price down with this one here. Alright, so whatsoever is happening here is an impulse, correction, impulse to create a corrective wave. Definitely what I want to see is I want to have price then move from this territory, not breaking this previous high here, which we also had in that point. Alright, so from that point, I'm going to be taking a trade decision, and I'm going to be putting up this high right up here. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be taking a short trade from where we are at the moment, right, to target the downside. Alright, so here in this one, my TP1 is going to be here. Alright, so this is going to be our TP1. Alright, it's going to be our TP1 inside of this territory here. So I'm going to take first profit at the previous structure. Alright, so I'm going to take first profit around the previous structure also, which we had support right back at February 2020. So I'm going to draw a line there to show you guys where my take profit one is going to be. It's going to be around the 1.427. That's where my take profit one, and I'm going to expect that price then could break a little bit of this structure here as well to test lower boundaries as well, so we can also take our final TP in below this point. Alright, so we're going to see as price action develop, then we can also take more profits. But however, I expect price to break this structure, because definitely what I'm seeing at the moment, also what is also happening is that we have an impulse, we have a correction, we had an impulse, and we also had a correction, and thereby also trying to create a new impulse from that point, and we had a little bit of consolidation here, so I can expect that price could also drop back into the swing territory. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and then show you what I'm gonna be doing with this one. So I'm gonna take a fib from a swing low to a swing high. I'm gonna give you the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, which is the 1.367 area, and that's gonna be where we expect price to drop into. Alright, but however, I would also target this point here of the 1.384, because it's also a strong area. Also, we had support previously as also a potential D leg that could have created an E leg, alright, to the upside before then price consolidated of some sort. Alright, so I'm expecting that price could break this previous structure here and then move up to retest back and then drop back into that territory. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and then take that trade right as well. So I'm going to take that trade, and I hope you do so. I wish you all the best, and our stop loss is going to be just the very few pips above this previous high. So I'm going to set a 10 pip stop loss at 1.445. Give my stop loss. All right. So with that, that's going to earn you about 146 pips for first profit. See you next time. It's going here. I love you all. Subscribe, like, share with friends. That's going to be the best. Thank you. And to also help in the creation of more educational videos. I love you all.